If you want to transfer contacts from your SIM card into phone storage on S25, you have to just open Contacts application. Now click here and tap to view by storage location, and be sure that you select SIM card contacts. Now click on the three dots one more time and select settings. Right now click on move contacts to other storage location, select where to move your contacts from, so from your SIM. Now select all of your contacts by clicking here, or for example specific contacts by tapping here. Click done, and now select where to move contact. So we have to move them, we want to move them into our phone, so click here, and as you can see right now, you can just scroll down. As you can see, in my case there's some kind of the issue while swiping, but we have to click move. And now as you can see, the contact has been moved from our SIM first into our Samsung S25.